Welcome back to this video. Quite a lot number of people that use Alipay does not know that once you set up an Alipay account, that does not mean that your Alipay account can receive money immediately you set up the account. There are some certain things you need to take into consideration before you can receive funds or send out money in your Alipay account. One of the things you need to take into consideration is to make sure that you verify the account KYC. Once you verify the account, you can start receiving money or sending money out in your Alipay account. And in this tutorial, I want to show you on how to be sure that your Alipay account can receive funds and can send money right here in this video. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Alipay app. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Alipay app. Then after you open up your Alipay app, next thing you need to do is to click on this profile icon right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on the setting icon. Then the next thing you need to do is to go to account and security. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to identity information. So here we go. You can see right here that it has been written verified, which simply means that this account is verified and can receive funds any moment from now. So once you receive funds, let me show you where your fund is going to be sent to in Alipay. Simply go back and back and back. Then coming back to your profile right here, once your Alipay account is ready to receive payment, what you need to do each time you are receiving funds. So from your profile right here, there are two ways to check for transaction detail. You can either come to my transactions right here or come to balance right here. So I'm going to simply click on my transaction. So when you click on your transaction, this is where you see your inflow and outgoing of your Alipay fund. Right here, I have spent this amount and I have received this amount in my Alipay. It's that simple. You can click on analysis right here and then it's going to break down everything for you. But this is only can be possible if your Alipay account is been verified. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to know if your account is been verified and ready to receive funds in your Alipay account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.